Now, third disorder, Cry-Do-Chet syndrome. It is chromosomal structural abnormalities, not numerical. In this syndrome, short arm of fifth chromosome transfer into 15th chromosome. It means deletion in short arm of fifth chromosome. Due to this, high-pitched cat-like crying in child, widely spaced eyes, low birth weight, and weak muscles tone. This type of patient's voice sounds like cat cry. Next, Down syndrome, which is also known as Mongolism. John Langdon Down in 1866 first of all described this abnormality in Mongol children. Scientists has found that persons affected with Mongolism or Down syndrome have 47 chromosomes, which is due to one additional chromosome in 21st pair of chromosome. It means trisomy of 21st chromosome. Generally, number of chromosome in human beings is 46 due to extra copy with 21st chromosome. Then number of chromosome become 47 in child. So main point is the 21st chromosome trisomy in this syndrome. This initial disease of Down syndrome found in 1 from every 600 children. Generally, this type of disorder is found in children taking birth from ladies of more than 40 years of age. It means whose lady conceive child after the 40 years age. In these women, the time of oogenesis during meiosis division, one additional chromosome as defect comes in the ovum. Therefore, chromosome count becomes 24 because ovum has 23 chromosomes. It means haploid number of chromosome due to non-disjunction. One copy of 21st chromosome extra than total number of chromosome in gamete is 24 in the ovum of woman, and the child taking birth has abnormalities. Down syndrome will be represented as 45 plus XX. 45 chromosomes are autosome and XX sex chromosome. This abnormality occurs only autosomal chromosomes, not in sex chromosome. So number of sex chromosomes are similar to the normal human. Generally, number of autosome should be 44, but in Down syndrome, autosomal chromosome number is 45. 45 plus XX in female and 45 plus XY in male. It means Down syndrome disease occurs in both male and female. The cause of trisomy is the non-disjunction of 21st chromosome during oogenesis. It means one extra copy of 21st chromosome occurs at the time of gamete formation in female, and this syndrome happens due to non-disjunction. What is the non-disjunction? Non-disjunction is the failure of homologous chromosomes or sister chromatids to separate properly during cell division. Female is carrier of this disease because oogenesis process start only in females. It's have one extra chromosome that enter in ovum during oogenesis. It means 24 instead of 23 at meiosis division. Then in ovum number of chromosomes become 24, so abnormal childbirth happen. There are following symptoms of Down syndrome disease. First symptom is prominent forehead with round face of child. It means broad cranium of child. Second, projecting lower lip or lower lip belonging below, short neck, protruding tongue. It means tongue also stick out of the mouth, habitually open mouth, flat hands and blunt fingers, underdeveloped gonads, mental retardedness. It means less development in mental ability. Heart disease produced in earlier birth stage. So, these are symptoms of Down syndrome. Because syndrome is a not particular disease, it is the group of many diseases. And this disease also called Mongolism disease because the face of infected child look like Mongol children. Due to this, name of syndrome is Mongolism, and due to discovery based, it also called as Down syndrome. So Down is the scientist name. Now, autosomal disorders or abnormalities has been completed, and we are going to start allosomal or sex chromosomal abnormalities. Second part of chromosomal disorder. Disorders which are produced by numerical changes in sex chromosome. It means number of chromosomes are changed due to mutation in sex chromosome XX or XY, called as allosomal or sex abnormalities or disorders. Sex abnormalities or disorders are of 4 types. First, Turner syndrome. Second, Klinefelter syndrome. And third, superfemale. And fourth, Jacob syndrome. Now, we are going to talk about the Turner syndrome. Turner is the scientist name. This syndrome occurs always in females. So, Turner syndrome occurs only in females, not in males. In this syndrome, one X chromosome is deleted in sex chromosome. It means woman is having only one X chromosome in comparison of 2. Due to this, in female, the number of chromosomes is 45 and genetically representation of chromosome as 44 plus X0 is equal 45. These abnormalities occurs only in sex chromosome. So number of autosomes is as it is. So 44 are autosomal chromosome and X is sex chromosome, and one X chromosome is deleted. Due to this, total number of chromosome become 45. Such case is also called monosomic. In autosomal disorders, trisomy occurs due to one additional chromosome, and in sex chromosome of the Turner syndrome, monosomy occurs due to deletion of one chromosome. One girl with Turner syndrome takes birth per 3000 birth. So main symptoms of this disease are as following. First, the height of female is short. Second symptom, females are sterile due to ovary development is stopped. Due to this, secondary sexual characters are not developed in females. It means rudimentary ovaries. Incomplete development of breast. No menstruation means menstrual cycle is stopped, and short webbed neck. So these are symptoms of Turner syndrome, and it is occurs only in females. Now, second syndrome due to mutation in sex chromosome, Klinefelter syndrome. On the basis of discovery, named of this syndrome is Klinefelter scientist. This syndrome occurs in male, not in female. It is caused due to the presence of an additional X chromosome resulting into a karyotype 47 is equal 44 plus XXY. Karyotype is the complete set of chromosome which has 23 set. It means 46 chromosome. Due to additional of X chromosome, karyotype become 47, 48 and 49. Like 44 plus XXY. When one extra X chromosome in sex chromosome of male, then karyotype become 47. Due to two additional X chromosome, karyotype 44 plus XXXY, it means 48 chromosomes, and due to 3 extra X chromosome in sex chromosome, 44 plus XXXXY, it means 49 chromosome. And this syndrome occurs due to 1 extra X chromosome, 2 extra X chromosome and 3 extra X chromosome in male sex chromosome. Symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome. First symptom, in Klinefelter syndrome, female characters are seen in male human. Due to this, in male, breast is increased like female. This type of disease is also called as gynecomastia. It means feminine development in male. Male become sterile due to underdevelopment of testes. And fifth point, reduce mental intelligence in male. Now, third disorders due to mutation in sex chromosome of female, super female or extra X chromosome in females. It is the opposite of Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, one X chromosome is less in sex chromosome, and in super female, one additional X chromosome in females. So, in this syndrome, total number of chromosome can be 47 to 49, but this growth is due to 1, 2, and 3 extra X chromosome in females. 45, for example, 45 autosome plus XX, it means 46 chromosomes in females in general condition. Due to mutation in females, one extra X chromosome occurs in karyotype. Then 44 plus XXX, it means 47 chromosome. 44 plus 4X, it means 48 chromosome. And 44 plus 5th X chromosome, it means 49 chromosome. Symptoms of superfemale disorders is the delay in development of sexual character in females and reduce mental intelligence or mental retardedness. Now, fourth syndrome is the Jacob syndrome or superfemale or extra Y chromosome in male. Jacob syndrome is the opposite of Klinefelter. Klinefelter syndrome occurs due to additional copies of X chromosome, and Jacob syndrome occurs due to additional copies of Y chromosome in males. So it occurs only in male because Y chromosome is absent in female. It is present only in male. In this, one Y chromosome is increased in male sex chromosome. Due to this, the arrangement of chromosome in Jacob syndrome is 44 autosomal and XYY. Y is the extra chromosome. Then number of chromosome become 47. Symptoms of Jacob syndrome. In this syndrome, person is suffer from criminal mentality. It means this type of patient has virulent, aggressive nature and less mentality, and person become tall. So this syndrome is also called as criminal syndrome. Now we are going to start the new topic, that is linkage. Meaning of linkage is linked of two genes at same loci on the chromosomes which are not assorted or separated at the time of inheritance. So, linkage is the exception or deviation of third law independent assortment of genetics. Independent assortment say that alleles or factors or genes of different characters assort or separate independently of each other at the time of gamete formation and get randomly rearranged in the offspring at the time of fertilization. Because according to Mendel, genes are located on different chromosomes. So separation occurs at the time of gamete formation. Mendel's law of independent assortment is applicable to the genes that are situated on separate chromosomes. But linkage is the other phenomena. When genes for different characters are located on the same chromosomes, so it is the different case. They are tied to one another and are said to be linked. It means linked genes are located on the same chromosome which have different characters. They are inherited together by the offspring and will not be separated independently. Thus, the tendency of two or more genes of the same chromosome to remain together in the process of inheritance is called linkage, because linked genes are not get separated and inherited in tied form to one generation to next generation. From one generation to next generation. In other words, when two or more characters of parents are transmitted to the offspring or progeny of few generations, first generation, second generation and third generation, without any recombination, it means there is no crossing over. Due to crossing over, genetic materials of homologous chromosomes are exchanged, resultant new recombinations are formed. It means variation occurs. When linked genes are not separated because genes are tied at the same locus on the chromosome which have linked characters, and the phenomena is called as linkage. So, due to linked genes, similarity occurs between parents and offspring. Groups of genes located on same chromosome, they are inherited together, called as linkage group. For example, in organisms, some characters are same in parents and progeny due to linked genes. Bateson and Punnett, scientists, describe the linked gene by working on sweet pea plant Lathyrus odoratus. So, we can study about the Bateson-Punnett experiment on sweet pea, and in animals the mechanism of linkage described by Thomas Hunt Morgan in fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster. Fruit fly has 8 chromosomes and it is an insect. So, we can easily study on the Drosophila, and it is the experimental insect.